Hi, I'm Dawn Michelle, and this is Makeup or Breakup blog. I'm so excited that you're joining me today. This upcoming week celebrates the Lunar New Year, the Chinese New Year. I also just wanted to present some products that celebrate the theme for the Chinese New Year. This is the Year of the Ox. If you're interested in learning more about the Chinese astrological symbols, if you're interested in learning more about, there is a lovely story behind these animals that represent certain years of where a person is born as opposed to every month. I will post a video, well, maybe not a video, I will post some helpful links in the description box and as well floating somewhere around here maybe, if you are interested in learning more about why the ox came to be. Excited to feature this product, and I'm also going to put this under the label of Instagram made me buy it. And I saw this particular company, Palace Identity, pop into my feed. These gorgeous, beautiful, of course red always attracts me, and red is considered the lucky color for the Chinese as well. So I just saw this beautiful model and these three gorgeous different shades of red. I'm going to show you the packaging on this because this is how would you believe that there's a lipstick in this box? I'm just hopefully going to show this here so you could see. Look, I mean, is that amazing? So I want to get this right. This is again from Palace Identity, and this is called their Gilt Gold Dragon Velvet Lipstick. And Gilt is spelled G-I-L-T, and I will post the correct wording up here. They have 3 shades of this lipstick, and it's in Empress, Princess, and Queen. All 3 are varying shades of red. Every single one was gorgeous. They sold it as a set initially with three of them together, and I think it was like between $70–$75. And I go, okay, I don't know this company. I don't know if I want to put $75 down, but I said, let me just try for one color. The initial cost of each lipstick is $29 US. I am giving US prices, but if you go to the Palace Identity website and go to their About Us page, if you scroll all the way to the bottom, it will give a currency translator to about 6 or 7 countries besides the US. And you can just hit the drop down window and pick the country that you're in. It does say only 6, but it's a start. I believe Japan is one, Australia may be another, Great Britain is another. So just check on that list. The packaging on this is amazing. That's all I can say. And of course, the ever-present red and gold, which are considered, I mean, it's just gorgeous. Okay, so I'm just gonna open this so you could see. It slides out almost like it's very cute. Just slides out like that, just to show the reveal. I'm gonna try to do this slowly. Is that gorgeous? I mean, the presentation is wow. And it's this little piece of wax paper over it. You see the lettering on there, the calligraphy. Now I'm going to, do you see this? I'm gonna take it out of the box, but this is what I mean about presentation. It's heavy. I'll put this right here, and I wanna, just to show you, that's the dragon head up here. And it's wrapped around the lipstick container. Is that gorgeous or what? I hope that you could see that. It is beautiful, beautiful, just gorgeous. And this has some weight. This just looks so beautiful. This is like a work of art. So I'm going to, oh, here we go. We're going to lift this off. I don't think this camera is going to do it justice. Okay, this is about as much product as you get, which is okay, pretty good. But interestingly, it reminds me a little bit of some other like sparkly lipsticks that you see out there. I don't know if you can see the sparkles so much. I'm gonna try to keep it in the light. Do you see has a bit of a sparkle to it? And it has a scent, almost like a vanilla scent. You know, so if you're not into any kind of scents, you may not like this, but it's delicate and it's on the sweet side. And it looks like the company logo on there. I'm gonna take a picture of this so you could see before I start putting this on, because once I put this on, that logo is gonna go away. Is that a logo? It looks like the carving around it. So I'm gonna lower it a bit so I don't have it inadvertently, you know, do anything, because I don't know how soft this is. And I'm gonna apply it. I will need a mirror, of course. All right then, I'm excited. Oh, it goes on very creamy. What shade did I get, you ask? I don't know if I brought that up. Huh. So that is the shade, and it feels so luxurious going on. It's very creamy, very smooth. There's no tugging. I'm curious to know. I got M01. So I need to look and see what M01 is. I think that might be Empress. I'm not sure, but I'm gonna double check. Oh, and what's great about this, I didn't even realize it. It's a magnetic cover. Isn't that gorgeous? Just make sure it goes all the way down. So I would hate for this to get smushed. This, anybody would be proud to have this on their vanity table. It's a work of art. It's gorgeous. Brand Palace identity a bit more. They do have other products. They have a pretty substantial line. They have a foundation. They have makeup brushes. They have liquid eyeliner and a primer. So they have several things going on, but this is the thing that attracted my eye. They're inspired by the golden lacquered throne of the Golden Luang Temple, which I believe is in the Forbidden City in China. About Us section continues to read, born and founded in China, 2020. So this company is not even a year old yet. We are proud of integrating the charm of ancient China, classical culture, into modern product design. Gorgeous, simply gorgeous. This is just the lipstick alone. Beautiful. Using high quality makeup ingredients so that everyone can feel the joy of makeup and enjoy the surprise by presents. And presents is like Christmas presents, like. So I'm not sure, maybe something happened in the translation, but I guess just the joy of unwrapping, especially the product, how it's all wrapped with, you know, special wax paper and everything is gold stamped and it's red and gold. There's attention to the detail and care that truly reflects the Chinese culture, especially the classical side. Let's see, they do accept several pay methods: PayPal, Visa, MasterCard, Discover, and Amex. I didn't see if they had like an afterpay or an installment plan. I don't believe they have that function. The set, as I mentioned before, of the lipsticks, there was 3 that you could get as a set, and that was over $75, I think. But individual, if I haven't said what the price is individually, the price is $29 US. They're currently having a sale where their lunar products, like the, certain, there are other things in the line beside the lipsticks. They dropped it a few dollars. So I think currently the lipsticks, if you get one, instead of $29, it's at $23. But again, they are close to a week. They are not shipping in observance for Lunar New Year, so it won't kick in until, you can place an order, I guess, but the order won't be shipped or looked at until February 19th. So just to let you know. I just found this incredible. I looked on their page. Their page, again, since they just started in 2020 last year, they're not even a year old. They do mention peony seed oil as one of their main products that they put in the lipstick. I will post the ingredient list somewhere here or here so you can see for yourself. They put at one point that it claims, the ingredients that they put in there claims to have highly active ingredients that apparently enhances skin cells, metabolism, antioxidants, and color retention. I guess something to make sure that the color stays around a little bit longer, which I'm all about. But I love how it went on. It was very smooth, didn't tug, didn't pull, seemed to almost melt onto the lips. It felt like a very luxurious experience. Yes, there is. But I don't mind it. This is gorgeous. Look at that color. Beautiful. Yeah. Thank you so much for joining me on my latest makeup adventure. And if you haven't already, leave a comment below and let me know if you are familiar with the brand Palace Identity. And if you're not, will you be trying out any of their products? Throughout this video, I posted images from their website. So the aesthetic is just calling to me. It's gorgeous. Red and gold, I'm there. Let me know in the comments below what you think. And if you haven't already, hit that like button, and even better, hit that subscribe button and hit that notification bell so you will know my next video will be up. Thank you so much for watching, and 新年快乐!